This 5-minute solution will show you how to make League of Legends full screen. First of all, you have to exit your League of Legends app. To do that, click on this cross icon and click on exit. Once done, right click on your taskbar and click on taskbar settings. Here you have to turn on automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So enable this option and then cross these settings, and now relaunch your League of Legends. And now click on settings, and here make sure to select general tab, and here you will get window size. So click on this window size drop down. Here you have to select the size 1920 by 1080 and then click on done. And after that, your League of Legends will be full screen. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.